What's going on, guys? It's been a while. I'm out here across the river from Shepherdstown, West Virginia. We're here to check out the Killiansburg cave, Snyder's Landing caves, and it's pretty sweet. You know, today is the first time I'm ever caving. Got a special guest, Abandoned with Maryland. He's out here exploring with me today, and so that's two new awesome things happening today. And the one cave, Killiansburg cave, actually has some historical significance. During the Battle of Antietam, the townspeople actually stayed there to shelter themselves from the cannon fire, which was happening just over the ridge there, literally just a couple miles from here. They did that to try and survive stray gunfire and artillery. And as far as the other cave goes, it just looks really cool. So we're gonna check it out, have a great day, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe and check out Abandoned Maryland's YouTube channel. If you like my stuff, you'll definitely love his stuff. Tons of cool explorers. And without further ado, I'll stop talking. All right, got one of the side caves here. Woo, it's infested with flies.
That's because there's bear shit in there.
You coming in, bro?
Oh yeah, I just didn't want to get in your video.
Oh, you're good.
It's a well-worn path. Makes me think there might be something back here. This is crazy.
You ever see the movie Descent?
Yes. The salamander people again.
I'm not worried about bears or spiders. I'm more worried about those salamander people. Oops. Ooh. Some big...
You might want to get lower here, spiders.
Yeah.
Oh, sprickets. A whole bunch of sprickets.
Watch out to your right. There's a big spider on the wall.
Oh, he's huge.
Yeah, I see another one.
Look at that thing. Oh my God.
Pretty much stops right there.
Look at this one.
Oh my God, don't do that.
Look at this one.
Don't put me in the back. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God, this is crazy. Look how far it goes up there. Oh man, there's sprickets everywhere. Hundreds of them.
Oh, I can't fit through there.
I ain't going there.
Yeah, we still got another cave to explore too.
I'm gonna back out and then shoot me a video in.
Oh my God.
Look at up to your right.
Cave crickets everywhere.
I'm heading out.
Ooh, spiders.
Coming back in right after you. Here is what we've all come for.
The main attraction.
As long as there's no bears, we're good to go.
Killiansburg Cave.
I'll be out of breath by the time I get up here.
It's a little steep, man.
It is. Apparently, back in the Civil War, the local townsfolk all came here to hide from the shelling so that they wouldn't get blown up. The view is awesome. Somebody's had a fire up here. Don't breathe. Damn it. Don't get fat or old. High quality video content. On a mountain on top of a wall.
We'll be right on top of this cave. This is a big rock outcrop.
sketchy.
Man, we're pretty far up.
We definitely are. I like the view. Pretty awesome.
This is gorgeous. Man,
It gets short quick. Man.
I am travel size, but
I understand.
should I travel through it?
Well, does it look like it opens up some, or does it stay narrow? Because it's definitely enough room to crawl through it without getting stuck. The question is, if it opens up or do you got a back? Sure, someone else has done this. You don't see nothing snarling at you.
See a couple spider webs, but
Spider-Man, Spider-Man.
yeah, there's one right near my face,
Oh, I see one coming up on your left.
ahead of me.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah.
Maybe give him a stick to get it all out.
Hey, I was about to ask, you guys want to hand me a stick?
Is that one big enough?
No, he needs a stick. It's a twig.
Well,
That's not enough stick there to fight a spider with.
on the bright side, at least these spiders aren't too big.
Oh, yeah. That's because
I'm gonna just set this stuff on his bag.
No, keep it with you because somebody might ride by and see his wallet and pick it up or something.
Yeah, you find a stick, you know?
Hurry up.
Okay.
Grab a long twig.
I've never been in such a tight spot.
It's actually not that bad. It seems like you got a good amount of space. Is
Yeah.
there a cavern above your head?
Yeah, it opens up.
That'll work. Hold on, it's coming. I'll bring it to you. You don't have to back up. Ain't none of us really big, so.
All right. That spider went up the wall.
All right, guys. Here's where we are now. As you can see, that is Obscure Adventures there in front of me as we crawl through this cave.
I don't know. You think they'll bother us on the wall there? Yeah, I don't like spiders.
Are we getting to a room at all, or is it just like just straight tunnel?
Looks, it's hard to tell from here. Looks kind of like it opens up, but
I think I found some salamander people slamming the wall over here. Yeah, look at this. Look at all this stuff.
salamander people.
Yeah, there's like slime on the walls.
There's a giant hole going up full of spider webs and spiders and some type of cocoon things. That is what's above me, y'all.
Looks like it opens up.
Yeah. Oh, I'm behind you. I lost my sunglasses. Take these. It's some craziness. See, guys, you see what's happening? See what people get you into?
Ooh!
This is all Obscure Adventures' fault.
Dude, there's a giant spider up on the ceiling.
Oh, Jesus.
He's like 5 feet across, or 5 inches across.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Well, I think I'll back out from here then.
Yeah, I don't think it really opens up back there.
No, I can see where it kind of gets narrow.